Hi everyone, it's all. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a lovely day. Today I am going to be doing a video which is quite an interesting one. It will be what makeup I would repurchase. If I was to lose all of my makeup in a disaster and if I got given an allowance of £50, these are the products that I would consider repurchasing to help rebuild my collection. Prior to filming, as always, I did my concealer and foundation off camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a bit of primer. Now this one is the one that I got and this has a bit of a glow to it. So this is the 17 face primer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze a little bit out on my hands. And then I'm going to be working this into my face. And this has a rose gold reflect to it. I think I used this back in my Giving 17 another shop video, so this would be a nice one to use if I wanted to do a quite glittery base, because it will already have set a base layer for my glow up, not like I've done very many glow ups. And as you can see in certain lights, in some light it looks more gold, but as I'm doing this on my forehead it is coming out a little bit more orange. So what I might do is I might get a little bit of my foundation just to tone, I might just get that to tone it down a little bit, and that'll just soften the glow. Given that I'm doing this in my viewfinder, that's also not helping either, so kind of using a mirror to try and blend it in. Hey guys, I'm back. My camera ran out of batteries, so while that was charging a little bit I did one eye off camera. What eye palette I use we will find out in just a few moments. It's now time to move on to blusher. I have a selection of blushers here. I have two 17 ones and I also have a Maybelline Fit Me, which I loved a lot in it was only last year I got this, so just thinking what am I feeling today. So 17-1, I've got this blusher. This is in the colour Peach. I believe it's called Peach Quench. What am I feeling today? And I've also got the 17 cream blush too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say what I'm feeling today. Okay, that's maybe a little too pink, so I might do that in my May video. So, right then, 17 powder or Maybelline. I'm going to go Maybelline because I've not used it for a while, so the colour I'm using is number 25 pink. £3.99 this was, so far we are still well within the budget. And we won't be doing a highlighter because there's already a highlighter within the primer that I've just put on. And if you're wondering what the 17 one looked like, I might put a little bit of that on too. Okay guys, we're now going to move on to eyes. I'm going to get my eye brushes and then move you guys in closer. An absolute favourite of mine is this that I lived through in 2023. This is the MUA Undressed palette. Some great alternatives are the MUA Undressed 5-pan palette. I'll also put a link in the description box below. So first shade I'm going to go in with is a little bit of this shade here. Great transition shade. I absolutely love this when I first did my 5 makeup looks with this palette. And then I'm just going to be using that as a wash through my crease. And now this shade here in the top left hand corner I don't really use very much, so I'm going to do a wash of this all over the lid. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the shade next to it for my inner corner. Alright, I'm not going to do any eyeliner because I don't want this to appear too heavy. So we're going to go straight onto mascara. And this is a Revolution mascara in... Oh man, I've had the writing rub off because I've had it that long. What I'll do is I'll run the name of this mascara across the screen so you guys know which one it is. And the last thing I'm going to do is lips. Now both lip products are two new ones to my collection. So the first thing I'm going to be going in with is this lip liner. This is from KIKO. This is the Smart Fusion lip pencil in the shade 05. God, my nose is running like a tap. So this is a wooden pencil. I did a full review and first impressions of these two products in my last video. So if you want to see a full in-depth review, be sure to check that out. Oh, I love how creamy that looks. And I'm going to top this off with this matching counterpart, the Smart Fusion lipstick in the shade 405. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and tally up the total for the products that I've used, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is the finished look, which I'm actually really happy about. I don't think I've done a all natural look in so long because I tend to do more of the bolder looks for when I'm doing my vlogs. But before I came back on to do this outro, I did a tallying up of how much this full look came to. And I can confirm that the look has come to $33.98, so definitely well within the £50 budget or the $40 for anybody that might be in Australia or America. So, but if you guys enjoyed today's video and would like to see more like this, be sure to hit the notification button down below so you're the first to hear of any new content. I plan on doing a under £30 makeup look soon, so what I might do is I might have a look in my collection and see what might be beneficial for this band of budget. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to smash the thumbs up button and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching.